Happy Teacher's Day, Miss Ramitri.
Today's Teacher's Day? I didn't even remember. I was just so busy doing the lesson plans last night. Oh gosh. Anyway, quiet down. Quiet down. Let me go and check the register, alright? Alright. Let me see who is here and who is not here for today. Takesha Robinson.
Present, miss.
Takesha?
Present, miss.
Okay, Damian Allwood. Damian not here.
I call him skull so him can go collect him last name.
Mr. Jonathan, what I told you about saying those type of comments in the classroom? You don't want me and your mother to have a meeting again, alright? Andreen British.
Present, miss.
Okay. Michael Unruly.
Ear.
Well, you know, I think you have some more people, but I'm just so tired right now. I'm going to pass it on. Where's the monitress? Munchie, come and finish taking the register for me now, please. Come on, Munchie not here.
Okay, miss, no problem.
Alright, so take out your science book, take out the science book, and then turn to page 2. We have to get this lesson started.
No, missus, you're there. I'ma write a poem for you.
You write a poem for me? Really? I feel special. Oh my gosh, that is just very nice. That is very nice. You know, I just have to love the kids because the kids are the Somebody remind me.
The future.
Yes, that's what the government said. The future. All right. Oh, go on. Do it with your presentation.
On the quiet. Miss Ramitri are the one who teaches us geometry.
Not even any little subject-verb agreement. Imagine all my blood, sweat and tears in this class. I just wasting my time in here. Look, watch there.
You are kind and honest and most of all, modest. Thank you, miss. We love you.
That's it? Okay, all right, David. That was a good effort. A good effort. I'm sure someone appreciates it. Okay, take your seat. Alright, so kids, back to the lesson plan. So I just want you to go to page 2, and then when you look on page 2, you're going to...
Miss, you are really special. I would just want to show our appreciation for you, miss, because you are the greatest.
For me? Again? No, man. That is just so sweet. Alright, go ahead. Go ahead, your presentation, but hurry up because I still have to get to the lesson.
Ready? Play the song, no man. Just start and play the song.
Oh gosh, please don't tell me that them pitney here I go sing the same old tired song there where them a sing from Wappy Kill Phillip every year. Year after year is that one same song.
There's a hero if you look into...
No man, that's it, me give up. Stop.
What I mean to tell me that from 4 years now and you can't find any other song to sing? There's a hero, look like me in a Justice League too, no? Every striking year after year, the one song, want me to a Taurus rally, oh, she's royal, but a royal, want me to the Sister Peace song, want me to Strength of a Woman, find a Beyonce, find a Solange, find something else, man. I'm tired of the one song, tired of it. Cheese on P, I'm just tired of it. Day after day in, teacher come in and we're working so hard, and I do one song to find to sing, one song. Suppose Mariah Carey never invent, Suppose she never invent. One who come sing to me. Tired of that, man. Every single year, the one song. One nothing tired of the song. Only one song that work can't fit for me.
I can be your hero, Miss Ramitri.